Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Stateside Stories. AI is everywhere these days, right? It's like it's infiltrated every corner of tech. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI to uncover some hidden gems, 5 tools, to be precise, that you probably haven't heard of before. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump right into the future of AI. First up, we're kicking things off with Jasper AI, a revolutionary tool that's transforming the way we write. It's a game changer for anyone who writes, whether you're a professional writer, a student, or just someone who loves to jot down thoughts. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, or even drafting emails, Jasper AI is designed to make your writing process smoother and more efficient. It doesn't matter if you're working on short, snappy social media posts or long-form content like articles and reports, Jasper has your back every step of the way. Imagine this. You're staring at a blank page, and that creative spark just isn't happening. The frustration builds, and the clock is ticking. Well, that's where Jasper swoops in to save the day. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to help you flesh out ideas, generate catchy headlines, and even suggest entire paragraphs. It's there to give you that nudge when you need it most. One of the coolest features is that you can actually train it on your own writing style and tone of voice. This means the more you use it, the better it gets at mimicking your unique style. It's like having a personal AI assistant that knows your writing inside and out, making it easier to maintain consistency across all your content. Jasper integrates seamlessly with tools like WordPress, Grammarly, and various social media platforms, making it incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. So, if you want to level up your writing game, whether for personal projects or professional endeavors, definitely check out Jasper AI. It's more than just a tool. It's your new writing sidekick, ready to help you conquer any writing challenge that comes your way. Alright, moving on to something equally mind-blowing, Descript. This revolutionary tool is transforming the way we think about video editing. If you're a video creator, this tool is about to change your life. Imagine the ease of editing your videos, just like you would edit a text document. Imagine editing a video by editing the text. No more complicated timelines or confusing interfaces. With Descript, you delete words to delete video, add words to add clips. It's as simple as that. You can rearrange your video content just by moving text around. Descript also has powerful AI features like automatically removing filler words and creating captions. This means you can clean up your audio and make your videos more professional with just a few clicks. It has advanced audio and video editing capabilities for more complex projects. Whether you need to fine-tune your audio levels or add special effects, Descript has you covered. Descript is intuitive, powerful, and makes the video editing process smoother. Its user-friendly interface means you can focus on your creativity without getting bogged down by technical details. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I highly recommend checking it out. Descript is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. It's a game changer for video editing. Imagine the time you'll save and the creative possibilities you'll unlock. Descript is not just a tool, it's a revolution in video editing. Let's talk about something cool, Runway ML. This tool pushes the boundaries of creativity with AI. Imagine generating realistic images from scratch or transforming existing images into something completely different. Runway ML is like having a digital art studio at your fingertips. It's user-friendly with tons of tutorials and resources to help you get started. Whether you're a designer, filmmaker, or just love to create, Runway ML is a must-try. Let's shift gears and talk about Notion AI. This innovative tool is transforming the way we approach productivity and organization. Notion AI takes the versatile Notion workspace and injects it with AI. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only helps you manage your tasks, but also enhances your creativity and efficiency. It helps you streamline your workflow, generate ideas, and stay organized. Whether you're managing a complex project or just trying to keep track of daily tasks, Notion AI has got you covered. Notion AI can generate ideas, create outlines, and write sections of your content. It's like having a brainstorming partner that never runs out of energy or creativity. It can summarize long documents, extract key takeaways, and create action items. This means you can quickly get to the heart of any document and focus on what truly matters. Notion AI helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. By organizing your tasks and information efficiently, it allows you to concentrate on your work without getting sidetracked. It's like having a personal productivity assistant. Notion AI can manage your tasks, schedule your meetings, and even remind you of important deadlines. Notion AI makes life easier and helps you do your best work. By taking care of the mundane and repetitive tasks, it frees up your time and energy for more important and creative endeavors. Finally, let's wrap things up with Midjourney. This AI-powered tool transforms text prompts into stunning, high-quality images. Type in a few words, and Midjourney generates multiple unique and visually captivating variations. The AI creates breathtakingly beautiful images with remarkable detail and complexity. Use Midjourney for digital art, illustrations, logos, branding materials, and realistic photos. The interface is simple and intuitive, with tons of resources to help you learn. Midjourney is constantly evolving and improving. It's a must-try tool for unleashing your creative potential. So there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools changing the game in 2024. These tools empower us to be more creative, productive, and connected than ever before. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest tech. Until next time, peace out.